in the back in the crack smoke, peeking through the streets like an early morning fog. Mama's in the slaughterhouse with the hatchet, dad did chop early morning hog. Catching Z's like an early morning saw when I woke up to the racket, yawning pause. What the fuck, man? I can never get sleep, man. Look out the window, what's wrong with y'all?
Centipedes share their territories with tarantulas. Despite its impressive length, it's a nimble navigator, and some can be highly venomous. As quick as lightning, just like the tarantula it's killing, the centipede has two curved, hollow fangs which inject paralyzing venom. Even tarantulas aren't immune from an ambush. This centipede is a predator.